Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Forms. Google Forms is a useful tool that can be used to gather data, information, or feedback from students or the public. The first thing you're going to want to do is think about the purpose of your form. What are you hoping to do with this information? To demonstrate, I'm going to be making an availability form for my position at Compass to Campus. At Compass to Campus, lead mentors will use this survey to find out what time periods work best for teachers to have mentors in their classroom. So starting off with Google Forms, you can title or name your file, and then you can head over here and you can change the color scheme of your form, make it anything you want. You can also add an image if you wish. You can change the background color, and you can also change the font. Another thing to look at is the settings. So here I have decided to allow teachers to resubmit their response if they have changed their mind. You can also limit so they can only respond once, etc. You can make it show how far along in the survey they are, make the questions appear in a random order. You can show a link to submit another response after they submitted one. Additionally, you could make this form a quiz, so you can delay the time that they get the results back. You can also select what you would like the respondent to see. So make sure you save. Moving on to the actual survey, you will start by adding a title, which I have done so. You can also add a description. So I've tried to choose a variety of different question types for the survey so you could see how the different functions work. So for the first question, I've chosen to allow a short answer response, just asking for their name and their email. Additionally, if you see this sidebar, this allows you to add a question below the current question. This allows you to import questions from previous forms you've made. You can add a title to your question. You can add images or media if you're looking for a response to a certain problem that you have off of the forms. And here you can also section off your form. So this could be like section 1, questions 1 to 3, and then you can make 4 to 8 a different section. Alright, the second question, I have chosen a multiple choice option. So this is just a yes or no question, but you could also add more depending on what you are needing to find out. For the fourth question, I have done the question format of a linear scale. So for this one, basically, you are giving the option to choose on a scale, a number. So I'm just asking how many mentors they would like. So this would be the minimum amount of mentors, and this would be the max that they could have. Teachers never really have over 5, so I've capped it at 5 for this scale. But as you can see, then they can choose this, then they can choose those options. For the fifth question, I've done a checkbox so they could choose more than one. And for the sixth question, I've done the same thing. And then the last two are long answers, so that means that they could write several sentences. There's also an option to add date or time. These are the same as multiple choice, except for it shows in a grid format instead of a list format, which is the same for the grid. Moving on, you can preview your survey. So with that, you can practice filling it out. Here's how the multiple choice works. Here is how that, so you can choose between that. You can choose multiple here, and here you can type whatever you would like to do. Another thing is once you're done, you can check the responses here. So thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.